Check out this beautiful machine that I got access to. It's actually a friend of mine's tractor. The landowner on this property owns it. And he's encouraged me to take it out and have fun with it for the day. So I believe it's a 35 horsepower. It's a Coyote, hydrostatic drive, 3 ranges, low, medium, and high. And that's kind of all really I know about it, but let's load her up and see what we can get into. Steep hill. I don't know if I should be going down here. Hopefully I get back out of here. I know it'll be hard to see in the camera, but it's quite a steep hill coming up out of here, so hopefully I'm not stuck down here forever. Maybe I shouldn't have came down here. Alright. Dude, the snow's a bit deeper than I thought it was down here. Well, so I made it back up to the house here. Of course, the battery died on the camera because it's still minus 32 Celsius. But I plowed a woods road right in as far as I could into the bush. And to come back up that hill, man, it was a chore. She didn't want to go, so I had to, I plowed up as far as I could and I back dragged down. I kept doing that. And then the last third of the hill, I just had to peel my way up with the bucket, so I got out of there. That tractor's got those like, I guess industrial tires. It doesn't got a set of ag like tractor tires, so that makes it kind of slide around more. And if that tractor had a set of tire chains, that'd be wicked. And there's a diff lock that you stomp down with your heel that I learned about, so I found that real quick. So just trying to get some juice in my batteries, and I'll go down and see if I can get some chainsaw videos going. Here, I'll show you. It probably looks like nothing on camera, but here's the hill. Here's the hill I came down with the tractor. I could only make it about this far, and then the rest of the way I had to claw my way out with the bucket. So, whoa, ooh, fell down there. Okay. So I got a bit of a road plowed in. And then that's where I had to plow in straight down the hill so I could get a run to get the tractor up out of here. And then there's up the hill. It's kind of a long, it's going to focus there. It's kind of a long grade. So you think you get going good, then it levels off a bit and it gets steeper. It's kind of such a long grade that you just kind of power out by the time you get to the top. And then, I'm just gonna focus, it's getting kind of dark. But I plowed a bit of a road in, and that's where I felled the tree back there. And that's where I split up that wood. And that's about it. Just a tough day of minus 32 Celsius battling with dead batteries. Whew, now she's cutting good. Yeah, she's cutting good now with that fresh file. There's my stump. Right on. Let's fire up the pooling and see what that's got.
Uh-huh.